Hi, I'm Mick, a rural contractor and a farmer at Bendemeer. Well, when I first started, I was trying a bit of everything just to try and find which stay assembly was the quickest, the best. You know, there's a lot of factors that come into that time with your staff. Also, just, you know, the ease of putting them in on your materials, your gear, that sort of thing. Yeah, so I tried pretty much every temporary or, you know, adjustable stay on the market, really, trying to find something. Rotech was just the speed in which you could put them in. The consistency of the product, like every time you hooked one up, there was a consistent quality to it that made it really easy to use. Also, the benefit, you know, to the farmer was that you could put a stay kit onto a gate stay post, and if that fence did happen to shift in wet or dry times like we do get in this area, it was only a matter of the farmer coming along with a chain and pulling his post tight and a 19mm spanner, and he'd have it square again. So forever having gateways and strainer posts square, that's a huge selling point.
Farm fences sorted at Rotech Rural.